How to install Shopify app on laptop. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Unfortunately, Shopify does not offer a desktop application for laptops or PCs. However, there is a workaround. You can easily access and use Shopify on your laptop or PC through a web browser. So go ahead and open your web browser and further open Shopify. Now tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen and then tap on the Cast, Save and Share option. You will see the Create Shortcut option. Tap on that and in the pop-up that appears, tap on the Create option. Now, go ahead and open Shopify from there. The other way to use Shopify is simply use the web browser. Use any modern browser like Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and navigate to Shopify's official website and tap on the login option there and log yourself in by entering your credentials and access your Shopify dashboard. So this is how you can use Shopify app on laptop. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.